How to add more than one accessory in Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, firstly launch a Roblox application or head over to a browser searching for roblox.com. After which, you need to head over to the inventory section of your Roblox. As we want to add more than one accessory in Roblox, start off by choosing a particular one. Then, to apply it on our avatar, tap on the screen button and select on Customize. After which you will find your avatar wearing the accessory. You can try to put up various of accessories next on top of it. To try or add on more than one accessory, you actually have to purchase these. If you have purchased any of the accessory, you can easily able to stack them on top of it. However, if not, you can style it with clothing and various others as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.